Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm getting ready to create a zine today. Remember, I think I told you about this, that we were going to create this. So I'm getting ready to do it now. I tried to bring all of my supplies and put everything together. And for those who know, you know, I love hearts. So my first zine is going to be created from hearts. So the first thing, and the hearts that I've already created, is some that I'm going to cut out. So the first thing that I'm doing, I'm going to do a small, first thing I'm going to do is count out the paper. So 1, 2, 3. I'm using 3 sheets of paper because I want to have 12 pages in my zine. Now I'm going to actually copy this. It's going to be in black and white. And the zine is actually a magazine. It's kind of like a magazine, but it's more personal. It's the things that you like, you know, as a person. And there's a whole community about it. And I'm going to send you some information. Or actually, I'm going to link some information about zines and how to create them. And this is what we're going to do today. And this is 8.5 by 11 copy paper. And you just put your creative spin on it and the things that you like. So this one is going to be called Hearts and Creativity because that's what I like. And so again, like I said, this is 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. It's 3 sheets. I fold it in half like this. And it is, let's see, I think it's 8.5 by 5.5. All right, so that's what it ended up being. 8.5 by 5.5. And so this is the cover. And so what I did, I numbered it because when I get ready to copy it, I want to make sure. So this is page 1. Then you open it. And that's so you can have your story however you want it set up. And then you mark this one as page 2, which I did. And this one, page 3. And this is just to help you keep it in order. This is page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, page 8, page 9, and I just wrote on there. You could use a pencil if you want to erase it. Page 10 and page 11, and the last page is page 12. So that way, however I want to lay my story out, and you could use sticky notes to lay your story out. I know this is going to be my cover. I do have some sticky notes here. Let me open these. And you can use sticky notes to lay, like I said, you can use this to write on to see how you're going to lay your cup, how you're going to lay everything out. So that if you drop your pages on the floor, you will know exactly where they go. So you can actually use sticky notes to actually write what you want your story to be about. So mine is about hearts and creativity, and I kind of made myself a little cheat sheet. So I'm going to design, let's see, so this first page is going to be, like I said, it'll be my cover page. My second page, page 2, and I'm going to put a little sticky note. I think I'm going to use sticky notes, yeah. I think I'm going to grab sticky notes over here. Is it going to grab me? Yep, sticky note. That's a little sticky. Let's see. Oh, I have more than one. Okay. This is page 3 here. This is page 2. So on page 2, what I'm going to talk about is why I love hearts. So I'm going to either write it out or I'm going to type it out. I don't know. And then just lay it here. But why? I'm just going to say what I'm doing. Why I love hearts. And then it's going to just talk about it here, and I'll probably put a heart here, whatever. And on my next page, on page 3, I'm going to have creativity is part of who I am. That's what this is going to be about. I'm just going to say creativity is part of who I am. And then you just keep on going, so forth and so forth and so forth. You keep going. You can actually use this as a template, and then you could get 4 more sheets of paper and redo it. Okay, so I'm going to keep going and show you how I do it. And I'm going to keep on just writing down what I want on these pages. And it might change. It might not. So just create with me. And so this part is going to be decorating with hearts. And this one is going to be page 5, my favorite heart project. And then this page 6 is going to be why handmade matters. So just sticky note. You can use larger sticky notes if you like. This is what I have, so this is what I'm using. This is what I could find anyway. So 6 is why handmade matters. And 7 is create what makes you happy. Sometimes we don't do that, right? Put a little heart right there. Me and my little heart drawing. And in page 8, keep on stick. I don't know why I just don't take these off and stick them on there real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on real quick so I can. I have 3. And I could have actually wrote on this if I was going to make this as my my sample, and then I'll just take 4 more sheets of paper and fold it. This is my template, I could say. I'm sorry, not sample, but sample, template, same thing. So number 8 is hearts have meaning. Yes. And page 9 is going to be about inspiration. Is everywhere. Okay. And let's see, page 9. We're going to put, oh no, you know what? I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Wait, 8. Okay, hearts have meaning. 9, inspiration is everywhere. 10, we good. My creative process. Okay, and then 11. We got 2 more. Oops. And 11 is let's create a heartfelt life. That's what that's going to be. And my last page, last but not least. Oops. I don't know if these are stuck on here. Okay. And the last page will be my thank you for creating with me. All right, so now let's get started, okay? And we know this is the cover, all right? So the cover is going to be hearts and creativity. All right, let's get started.